In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page URL in WordPress. Before we start, let's take a moment to understand why you might want to change a URL. Maybe you're restructuring your site for better navigation, or you want to make your URL more search engine friendly. Whatever your reason, updating your URLs can have a positive impact on both your user's experience and overall site SEO. To begin, you'll first want to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, find the left-hand menu and hover over Pages. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on All Pages. This will take you to a list of all the pages you have on your website. Here, you'll need to locate the page that you'd like to change the URL for. Once you've found it, hover over the page title, and a few options will appear beneath it. Click on Edit. Now that you're in the page editor, direct your attention to the Permalink section. You can find it just below the page title. WordPress automatically generates a URL based on your page title, but you can customize it here. Make sure your new URL is short, descriptive, and relevant to your content. This not only makes it easier for users to remember but also plays an important role in SEO. After typing in your new URL, click OK to confirm the change. Once you're satisfied with your updates, it's time to save your changes. You'll find a blue Update button on the right-hand side of the page editor. Click on it to save your changes. Your URL will now be updated, but keep in mind that any external links pointing to the old URL will not be redirected automatically. To handle this, you might want to consider setting up a 301 redirect from the old URL to the new one. This step is crucial in retaining any SEO value associated with your URLs and avoids breaking any existing links. To set up a redirect, you can use a WordPress plugin like Redirection. Install and activate it from your Plugins menu. Once active, navigate to Tools in the sidebar and select Redirection. Here, you can click on Add New to create a new redirect. Enter your old URL in the Source URL field and your new URL in the Target URL field. Save the changes, and your redirection will be active. And there you have it. You've successfully changed a page URL in WordPress and set up a redirect to ensure smooth navigation for your visitors. Remember, keeping track of these changes is key to maintaining a healthy and user-friendly website. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.